In today's video, we're diving into the life and style of Jackie Chan, one of Hollywood's most famous actors, who made his mark on movie history. Even though he's 70 years old, he continues to amaze us with his energy and vitality. We'll show you his workout routine, the foods he loves to eat, and the 5 foods he avoids to stay in perfect shape. Before we dive into his diet, let's take a quick trip through the life of one of the biggest movie stars in the world, Jackie Chan. Born in Hong Kong in 1954, Chan started his training at the Pin Opera School, where he studied acting, martial arts, and acrobatics from a young age. Accepted into the China Drama Academy, he was part of the movie 7 Little Fortunes, which featured the best students in his class. Jackie began his film career in the 1960s, appearing in over 150 films. After years of success in Hong Kong cinema, he landed in the United States in 1995, where he quickly became a Hollywood star. In 2010, he appeared in his first major American film, The Karate Kid. Chan is now universally recognized as one of the most influential figures in cinema, with a star on both the Hong Kong Avenue of Stars and the Hollywood Walk of Fame, as well as an honorary Oscar for his extraordinary contributions to the world of film. In addition to his talent, he is also known for his philanthropic commitment. Forbes magazine has listed him among the 10 most charitable celebrities in the world. Now let's move on to his diet and healthy habits. Jackie Chan is famous not only for his incredible stunts, but also for his youthful appearance and boundless energy. His lifestyle choices, especially when it comes to diet and exercise, are essential to maintaining his health and vitality. We will now discover the 7 principles that Jackie adopts to stay active and young at 70 years old, and we will analyze the 5 foods he avoids. As a martial artist, Jackie practices Kung Fu and Hapkido every day. These disciplines help him stay flexible, strong, and tough. Martial arts are really good for you, both for how long you live and how good your life is. They make you physically fit and improve your heart and muscle health because they make you stronger, more flexible, and tougher. Plus, martial arts are great for managing your weight, which lowers your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart problems. These conditions can really affect how long you live. Regularly practicing martial arts also benefits your mental health. It improves your focus, discipline, and self-control, and it can even help you manage stress and anxiety. These are all super important for living a longer and more fulfilling life. Another awesome benefit of martial arts is that it increases your bone density, which helps prevent osteoporosis. They also improve your balance and coordination, which reduces your risk of falls and injuries. These things are key to staying active and independent as you get older. Taking martial arts classes also gives you a chance to socialize and be part of a community, which is great for your emotional well-being and overall quality of life. All these things combined contribute to a longer, healthier life. On top of martial arts, Jackie also hits the gym, focusing on cardio and strength training exercises, which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and good heart health. When it comes to his diet, Jackie eats a balanced diet, full of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, to make sure his body gets all the good stuff it needs to keep up with his busy life. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are the building blocks of a long life because they're super good for you. Fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants help fight off inflammation and protect your cells from damage, which means you're less likely to get sick. Whole grains, with all their fiber, help you digest food better and keep your blood sugar steady, which is good for your heart. Lean proteins, like chicken or fish, are important for building and repairing muscles and keeping your metabolism running smoothly. All of these foods together not only make you healthier overall, but they also help prevent diseases and promote a longer, healthier life. And finally, Jackie pays close attention to hydration. It's super important, especially with all the intense training he does. Jackie Chan makes sure he drinks enough water throughout the day to keep his body working right and help his muscles recover after working out. Drinking enough water not only helps him physically, but it also helps regulate his body temperature, helps his digestion, and keeps his skin healthy. Drinking water regularly is a key part of his routine. It makes sure his body can recover quickly and function at its best. Another super important thing for Jackie's health is rest. Even though he's incredibly busy, Jackie Chan makes sure he gets enough sleep every night. Rest is essential to let his body recover and recharge. Enough sleep not only helps his muscles and tissues repair, but it also improves his thinking and helps him stay emotionally balanced. By making sure he gives his body the time it needs to rest, Jackie is able to keep performing at his best and stay healthy, which is super important for his active lifestyle and busy career. In addition to physical health, Jackie Chan makes time for meditation and mindfulness to deal with stress and keep a clear mind. These practices not only keep his mind sharp, but also encourage balanced and focused behavior. Meditation helps Jackie handle daily pressures, while mindfulness keeps him present, allowing him to make better decisions and maintain his overall well-being both personally and professionally. Meditation is a practice that involves concentrating and focusing the mind on specific thoughts, objects, or sensations, often through breathing or mantras. This practice reduces stress and anxiety, leading to a state of deep relaxation. Among its benefits is the reduction of cortisol levels, the stress hormone, contributing to a greater sense of calm and well-being. For Jackie Chan, meditation is a way to find balance and mental clarity, essential aspects to face daily challenges and maintain his efficiency. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is about fully experiencing the present moment with an attitude of acceptance and without judgment. This practice increases awareness of one's thoughts and emotions, allowing for better management of reactions in stressful situations. Practicing mindfulness not only helps Jackie Chan improve concentration and reduce emotional reactivity, but it also proves particularly useful both at work and in everyday life. Being fully present during activities allows him to maintain calm and focused behavior, which is essential for success in his performances and for maintaining emotional balance. These practices combined not only contribute to mental health, but also improve sleep quality, problem-solving abilities, and social interactions. For someone like Jackie, who has a busy lifestyle and always needs to be at their best, meditation and mindfulness become valuable tools for managing stress and taking a more balanced and efficient approach to life. Jackie Chan also has a disciplined skincare routine. It's essential for him to maintain a youthful look despite the challenges of long hours shooting in often difficult conditions. His routine probably includes moisturizing his skin daily, making sure it stays soft and well-nourished. He also likely uses sunscreen to avoid sun damage. This is key to preventing early aging, sunspots, and lowering the risk of skin cancer, especially given how much time he spends outdoors filming. Additionally, he might use products that help his skin regenerate and stay firm, reducing signs of aging and ensuring he keeps a healthy, vibrant look. By combining these skincare practices with his balanced diet and his healthy habits, Jackie Chan manages to maintain a fresh and radiant appearance, despite the physical and professional demands of his film career. One of the first things Jackie Chan avoids is milk and dairy products. He cuts them out of his diet because they can cause bloating and discomfort, which don't fit with his active lifestyle. Plus, there's scientific evidence to back up his decision. A study from Harvard found that men who have 3 or more servings of dairy a day have a 76% higher risk of dying from any cause and a 141% higher risk of dying from prostate cancer, compared to those who have less than 1 serving a day. By avoiding these foods and sticking to a healthy, well-balanced diet, Jackie Chan can keep up with the physical demands of his career and stay energized, even at 70 years old. This information highlights how important it is to make smart food choices to stay healthy, especially for someone as active and busy as Jackie Chan. Even though spicy food is popular in a lot of Asian cuisine, Jackie Chan chooses to limit how much he eats. He made this decision to avoid stomach problems like irritation and discomfort, protecting his digestive health. Cutting back on spicy food helps with smoother digestion and overall gut health, which is super important for supporting intense physical activity and feeling your best. Jackie Chan avoids sugary foods because of their negative impact on energy and long-term health. Too much sugar can lead to energy crashes and is strongly linked to health problems like heart disease, diabetes, inflammation, and liver issues like fatty liver. Instead, Chan opts for natural sugars found in fruit, which offer a healthier and more nutritious alternative. A study from Harvard Medical School confirms that eating too much added sugar is a serious threat to heart health and contributes to many health problems. Jackie Chan also avoids processed foods and junk food, as these often contain unhealthy fats and chemicals that can harm both overall health and physical performance. The World Health Organization has highlighted the dangers of junk food, warning that it's responsible for around 11 million deaths every year worldwide. Cutting out these foods from his diet helps Chan maintain a strong and healthy body, which is crucial for his level of activity. Jackie Chan limits his red meat intake, opting for leaner proteins like chicken and fish to reduce his intake of saturated fat and protect his heart health. A study from the University of Oxford showed that a daily increase of 50 grams of unprocessed red meat is linked to a 9% higher risk of coronary heart disease. Another study from Harvard, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, also found that eating red meat twice a week can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Through these dietary choices, Jackie Chan manages to stay healthy and maintain optimal energy levels to tackle the demands of his film career and active lifestyle. By avoiding certain foods and embracing a disciplined lifestyle based on a balanced diet, consistent exercise, and adequate rest, Jackie Chan continues to prove that his dedication to health and well-being is the key to his youthful appearance and boundless energy. This simple but rigorous approach has helped him maintain an extraordinary level of fitness, inspiring millions of people. And there you have it, folks. The secret behind Jackie Chan's incredible energy and fitness isn't really a secret at all. Ultimately, it boils down to a balanced and disciplined lifestyle, one that combines healthy eating with regular exercise. We hope you found this informative and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.